Today I'm going to be showing you how to correct errors quickly and easily in Google Docs. Hello and welcome back to Google Tutorials, where we give you the best tips and tricks to grow your confidence online. If you're new here, please consider subscribing so that you're the first to get notified every time we launch a brand new video. If you haven't watched the Google Docs playlist so far, there'll be a link in the description box below, as well as in the iCard in the top right of your screen. Creating essays and documents is extremely hard, especially when you realise that you've created multiple errors. But today I'm going to be showing you a quick and easy tool for you to use to correct those mistakes. To do this, what you want to do is go up to the top navigation bar at the top left of your document by where it says Edit. And then what you want to do is go all the way down until you see Find and Replace. The shortcut for this is Ctrl-H, and this is really useful for if you're doing this multiple times, but you don't need to worry about that. Then this box will open up. The top box is to find, so this is where you're going to input the error, for example, Neptune. And this is the great feature about this, Replace With. This will replace all of those errors with this word, for example, Jupiter. Then what you want to do is click Replace All. And as you can see, all of the words of Neptune have now been replaced with the word Jupiter. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe, as we've got a ton more content just like this.